Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always, and today I have another quick video for you guys. Um, got this pretty nice Vachette here from Cameron. Once again, buddy, thanks for the awesome locks you sent my way. And this is intact half euro here. And because of that, I won't be gutting this one because, as you can see here, there's no clip on the back here. So this spring-loaded cam mechanism that allows you to change the position of the cam, it has to go in before the cylinder, and it's not perfectly a round shape, so you have to use some crazy shimming, segmented followers, and yeah, a few other tricks and cussing to get it back together. It was quite the nightmare to get back together. But I did take a picture of it once I had it apart. Actually gutted it to see how long it would take me, if at all, to do on video. But yeah, like I said, came to the realization that I'm not going to be not going to be gutting it on video until I get a front loader there, which I should be getting eventually. And before I start, guys, there's actually a car show going on right outside my my apartment here, so if you guys hear any high revs or anything like that, that's where that's coming from. Okay, first of all, there's your bitting. Nice high cut in the back, pretty nice bitting. Works beautifully. And I know 50 thousandths doesn't fit, so I'm going to use music wire style tensioner here that I've made them in a few different sizes to fit pretty snugly. And I think I should be able to get everything with this offset hybrid. Even that high cut, I think, should be possible. A little click off number 2, I think. Feels weird. Two, 4, I believe. Five. Yeah. I think I just dropped something. I think that was 2 again. This is 3, and we're open. Another quick pick. So yeah, I think I should be able to put a picture at the end here of what these pins look like. I was pretty surprised. Now that I got it open, obviously, you guys probably realize it's all standard drivers, but they put all the security in the key pins, which I find very strange. The key pins are almost like a spool or really wide serration. I'll let you guys be the judge. I'm pretty sure I have the pictures on my other phone. But there it is picked. And one more time on the cam thing, it's a spring-loaded cam that you can adjust in one of 12 positions, I believe. And when the key's in, obviously you can't push the button in, but it actually would push the key out a little bit, and then you can adjust your cam there. But that's what we have on this Vachette. Actually a nice lock. Probably gonna throw it in the collection for no other reason that it's a full intact half euro. I don't have very many full intact euros. And I think next video I'm going to show you guys what I've been working on for a while. I've been been working on a display for my my collection. Now, I don't have much of a collection, especially after seeing some of your guys' collection, actually Steel Pinning's recent video. But yeah, I want to be able to put my favorite locks all in one place, and I built a nice little display box, and it should be able to display my locks in you know what I mean, in a decent way where it's not taken away from anything, kind of thing. I made a bunch of slots for mortise cylinders. I made a little rack for Australian ovals, 570s, and Euro profile cylinders. Intact ones anyway. Use this this hole here. And I have some space left over for padlocks. So hopefully, like I said, next video I'll show you guys what that looks like. Actually just finished it up, just put the plexiglass in place, and I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, hope you guys think the same. Until next time, guys, as always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Never pick a lock that you don't own or have permission to pick. Alright guys, take care. See you on the next one.